All right, we're gonna take a cruise here. A really cool 1947 Chevrolet Fleetmaster. This thing is cool. It's a big car, man. Big fat fendered Chevy, but it's got a really nice drivetrain in it. It has a ZZ4 crate motor, the 355 horsepower. They got aluminum heads and headers, nice sport dual exhaust, aluminum intake, aluminum radiator. It's also backed by a 700 R4 overdrive transmission. So it makes it so you can get on the freeway. This guy drove the car since he built it, did a frame-off restoration, had it for, I don't know, many years, put about 16,000 miles on it, but wasn't afraid to use it. Go to the cruise nights, and you know, it's got air conditioning, pretty cool. It's got a kind of a later model Camaro rear differential, like a 10-bolt, so it's a good driver. It's got the Dakota Digital gauges, comes with pretty much everything, oil, water, fuel, tack. It's got a nice Kenwood stereo system in it with Bluetooth. Got some nice Hopster wheels on there, 16-inch. Yeah, that thing goes good. Drives nice and straight too. The whole frame is powder painted, powder coated, I should say. It's got the TCI front end. All the stuff that the hot rod guys do, you know, just to make them so you can use them. You don't want it to drive like a 47 Chevy. So we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you so you can get a better look at it. All right, check out this really cool 1947 Chevy Fleetmaster. Usually you see these cars tricked out, more of the candy apple red, lowrider scene, not really hot rods. But this one's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a ZZ4 crate motor. It's got air ride. I got it on the low setting right now. That's the car show setting. You don't want to drive it like that, but you raise it up and it looks cool. Gives it a nice stance. But really nice body work done over the years in this car. I mean, it was a frame-off restoration, and this is older paint. It's got a couple little scuffs, you know, little things that happened over the last 16, 15 years or whatever when it was done. But still pretty good. It's like a Glacier Blue Metallic, they call it. It's a Saab color, and kind of looks greenish to me, or turquoise, but that's the name of the color. It's got the 16-inch Hopster wheels on there, polished. BF Goodrich TAs, shaved door handles. It's got the poppers. Doesn't have wipers. It's got the wiper sticks there, but nobody drove this car in the rain. You wax the windshield. Nice chrome grille, chrome bumpers. Really cool looking old street rod. I'll show you the interior in it. Super clean and comfortable. I love this kind of leatherette cloth mix. Really classy. Door panels to match. Got the billet handles, got power windows, got tilt steering wheel. Comfortable back seat back there. Nice sound system. Of course, the Dakota Digital dash. Vintage air. There's your little front and rear airbag setup. There's your power windows, cup holders. You gotta have that. Got a nice little wood Lecarra wheel. Super straight. I mean, even the frame is powder painted on this car. Pretty cool street rod for not a lot of money. Go out and have some fun with it. Here's the power plant in the 47 Fleetmaster. All tricked out under here. Nice smooth firewall. It's got a, like I said, ZZ4 crate motor, aluminum heads. Those are roller motors. They're fantastic. It's got vintage air conditioning, one-wire alternator, power steering, rack and pinion up front. Got the TCI front end, electronic ignition, shorty headers, aluminum radiator. Pretty good. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you real quick. Sounds good. Nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. Little wrap to it. Pretty cool. Got all the good stuff on it. Like aluminum. Keep that clean when you go to the car show. It's got the dual exhaust with these really cool little bow tie exhaust tips. Little personal touches, you know. Good sounding car. Well, if you want to come see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're in 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, give you a little tour of it. All right, thanks for watching.